acoustic. When we talk about acoustic, we think about music. Such instruments are the acoustic guitar, the classical piano, and the violin. So, what really is acoustic? Well, to put it simple, acoustic is the science of sound. Acoustic is commonly known for its ability to produce sound, propagate sound, and also creates a perception of sound. Cool, eh? Well, now that we understand the basic fundamental of acoustic, let's talk about vibration. So, vibration is... Whoa, relax. You know what? That's kind of boring. It's more fun if you explain it with examples, right? Well, vibration is like this, or even this. Simple, eh? Vibration is when something is moving back and forth, creating a stuttering motion that looks like what we seen in the video. Well, understand that? Let's get to next part of the video.
So now I'm gonna explain about the effect of acoustic and vibration in the HVAC system on the human health. So here I'm gonna take an example, a railway. As we know, a railway do create a variety of noise, and also the noise affect the human health to the people that living nearby it. For example, it increase the heart rate, lack of deep sleep, increase a blood pressure, elevated anxiety and levels, and the last one is cardiovascular disease, which it related to sleep disorders. The second one example that I will take is the noise from aircraft. It also something like a railway. So the effect of human health from this noise is, one is a cardiovascular issues. The second one is cognitive issue in children. The third one is elevated anxiety, and the last one is decreased attention span due to the sleep deprivation. So it's all about the effect of acoustic and vibration on the human health.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Muhammad Shafiq. So today I'm going to talk about safety. Okay, so acoustic design for building require quantitative information about acoustical product, material and system, so that recommended design criteria can be met. So firstly, for most noise control work in the building, there are two important acoustic properties of material and system used. So the first one are sound absorption and reverberation. So for the term sound absorption, it is often used to describe a single space acoustic application, while where reverberation of noise or echo is the main problem. Projects such as indoor areas, sport facilities, or cinema, theaters and studio need to be designed to minimize this reverberant noise.
There is a certain amount of common sense regarding to acoustics. Anyone who has ever had a bad sleep or unable to clearly think the next day due to a loud neighbor, subway, or plane, knows intuitively that it is bad for your brain. In the real world, every sound in a structure can be traced back to its acoustical roots. Billions of dollars in research later, we have the scientific data to prove what each and everyone knows, that loud sound over a prolonged period of time is unhealthy for people. The good news is that there are many ways to rejuvenate yourself. Deep sleep, meditation, and exercise are all excellent ways to counterbalance the negative effects of exposure to loud noise and acoustical stress. The reverberation time is widely used as a design parameter in architectural acoustics. It is the time required for a loud sound to fade away to inaudibility after the source has been turned off. More precisely, it indicates how long it takes until the sound pressure level in a room is decreased by 60 decibels after the sound source is terminated. Excessively reverberant rooms are usually noisy and speech communication may be interfered with. The reverberant sound level and the reverberation time in the room can be reduced through the installation of appropriate sound absorbing materials. Partitions, barriers, and enclosures are the products used for restricting the passage of an airborne acoustic disturbance from one side to the other. These are non-porous and dense materials, often having the structural properties. Typical barrier materials are steel, lead, plywood, gypsum wallboard, glass, brick, concrete block, etc. The quantity used to rate a sound attenuating material is transmission loss in decibels.
So, in conclusion, we should always appreciate the existence of sound and the ability to listen to sound whenever we want to. Remember, there's thousands of deaf people out there that pray to God every single day to be able to have a chance to listen to sound. As said in Surah Ibrahim, verse 7, and Allah have spoken, if you are grateful for something that I have given to you, then surely I will add greater pleasure to you. But if you have any form of disbelief, then surely a grievous and painful punishment will be given to you. That's it. Thank you so much for watching our video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and it also helps us a lot with our studies. And subscribe if you're new. And that's all from me. Bye bye.